It's funny when you think about it, every single person like everyone,
Hmm?
was once a total stranger, your best friend, your partner, even the person you just nodded to.
Right. It's like this huge invisible web we're constantly building, isn't it? One little
Oh,
conversation thread at a time.
exactly. And that's what we're diving into today. How do you actually start weaving those threads? How do you kick off those conversations?
Yeah, moving beyond just staring awkwardly. We've looked at this really insightful TEDx talk, and it has some really practical steps.
Practical is good. So
Yeah.
the mission for this deep dive is basically to pull out those actionable tips, things you can actually use like tomorrow.
Techniques honed from, connecting with loads of people, stuff that makes starting those chats less daunting and maybe more rewarding.
Okay, let's do it. Let's get straight into these strategies. There are 7 key ones from our source, right?
Yep, 7 distinct points to help you talk to pretty much anyone.
All right, so number 1.
Number 1 is what the speaker calls the first word, floodgates.
Floodgates. Okay, sounds dramatic.
Well, it kind of is mentally sometimes.
Yeah.
It's just about saying that first word. Hello, hi, hey.
Just getting it out there.
Exactly. The hardest part is often just breaking that initial silence. It feels like opening floodgates, letting the rest potentially flow out.
Overcoming that inertia, that hesitation we all feel sometimes.
Precisely. Just a simple hi can be enough to get the ball rolling.
Okay, makes sense. So what's number 2?
Number 2, skip the small talk. Ask personal questions.
Ooh, okay. So ditch the how are you or nice weather.
Pretty much. I mean, those first moments are valuable. Why waste them on stuff nobody really cares about answering?
Uh-huh. Fair point. So what kind of personal questions are we talking? We don't want to be like creepy, right?
Yeah, no, definitely not intrusive. It's about genuine curiosity. Like maybe ask someone about their name if it's unusual. Where did it come from?
Okay, I can see that. Or maybe if they're new somewhere.
Yeah. Ask about their first day or what they think of the city so far. Even asking where their family lives can open up a real conversation.
It takes things deeper faster.
Much faster. There's this great story in the source, actually. A radio host asked a cab driver where he was from, asked about his family. And within 20 minutes, the driver was basically trying to arrange a marriage between the host and his son.
No way. Seriously.
Seriously. It's funny, but it shows how quickly things can escalate beyond the superficial when you ask something a bit more personal with genuine interest.
Wow. Okay, noted. Ask something real. What's number 3?
Number 3 is find the Me Too's.
Me too's, as in finding common ground.
Exactly that. It's about establishing connection early, starting off by disagreeing or being negative. That just shuts things down.
Yeah, that can be awkward.
So instead, you actively look for something you share. Anything. Maybe you're both waiting for the same delayed train, or you both ordered the same weird-looking drink.
Oh, you got the dragon fruit explosion too. Me too.
Huh? Yeah, exactly like that. That little Me Too moment, that shared perspective, it creates instant rapport. It makes the whole thing feel easier.
Even tiny things can work.
Absolutely. It bridges that gap between strangers.
Cool. Okay, on to number 4.
All right, number 4, pay a unique compliment.
Ah, compliments. But unique is the key word here.
Definitely. Forget nice shirt or cool hair. The source talks about something called compliment immunity.
Immunity, like we're just numb to the basic ones.
Sort of. We hear them so often they don't really land. They don't feel genuine.
So what makes it unique? Be specific.
Be specific and observant. The example given is fantastic. Instead of you have a nice smile, say something like, I love how your whole face smiles, not just your mouth. Your eyes light up. Even your forehead crinkles.
Whoa, that's detailed.
It is, but it shows you actually notice something specific, something real, that kind of compliment. It sticks with people. It makes them feel genuinely seen.
Yeah, I can imagine that would feel different. Okay, that's a good one. Number 5.
Number 5, ask for an opinion. Keep it simple.
Asking opinion. How does that help start things?
Well, it instantly makes it a two-way street, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's not just you talking at them. Plus, you get a little window into their personality.
True. But what kind of opinions? Don't want to start a debate right away.
No, keep it light. That's crucial. Ask their opinion on the coffee you're both drinking or, a movie poster you see. Something easy, non-threatening.
Something anyone can probably answer easily.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the really important part here, stressed in the source, is to actually listen to the answer.
Listen to listen, not just wait for your turn to talk again.
Bingo. Listen to listen, not listen to reply. Show genuine interest in their take, even if it's just about coffee. It encourages them to share more.
Right. Makes sense. What's number 6?
Number 6, be present. Name, place, animal, thing.
Be present, like put your phone away, pay attention.
That's the core of it,
Yeah.
yes. Eye contact, focused attention. It signals respect, especially now when everyone's so distracted.
Okay, but what's the name, place, animal, thing bit? A memory trick.
Kind of. It's about remembering the details people share because you were present. Remembering someone's name is huge. The source really highlights that it makes people feel valued.
Yeah, I hate it when people forget my name immediately.
We all do. It
Now,
goes beyond names. Remembering a place they mentioned liking, or their dog's name, or some little detail.
and maybe bringing it up later.
Yes. Referencing those things later shows you were truly listening, and you
Mhm.
actually absorbed what they said. It shows you're invested, even just a little. Builds connection.
That feels more caring, I guess.
It really does.
Okay, so we're at the last one, number 7.
Number 7 is a lovely analogy. Conversation as a book.
A book. Explain that one.
Think about it. Every person has a unique story inside them, right?
Mhm.
Like a book filled with chapters and experiences.
Okay.
Starting a conversation is like choosing to open that book instead of just, scrolling past a headline online, which
Mhm.
is often what quick interactions feel like.
Yeah, very superficial sometimes.
You're choosing to turn the first page, to actually read a bit of their story, to explore who they are.
I like that. It reframes the whole idea of talking to someone new. It's not just passing time, it's discovery.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Discovery. Everyone has this rich narrative. We just need to be willing to crack the cover and start reading, show a little curiosity.
So it really comes down to a choice, doesn't it? As you go through your day meeting people.
Mm. Are you just going to glance at the cover, the superficial stuff?
Or are you going to actually open a page and start reading their story?
That's the question. Making that choice can completely change how you connect with the world around you.